So guys, just a quick little video before we install the Akrapovic, so you can hear it before and after of the CBR650R. This is a 2019 model. Oh, she's not in neutral, so let's make sure we do that first. There we go. Let's fire her up. Got her on the stand here. What's up guys, it's Andrew. I'm back here. We got the Akrapovic installed. Here it is. It looks absolutely wonderful. Bam, super sleek, lots of clearance, no issues at all. Springs fully installed. It just looks fantastic. It sounds super nice. I have about 20 miles on it now. Here's just the front end here. I'm not sure if you can tell with the GoPro because it's kind of dark out right now. It's super rainy. Here's the original exhaust that we took off. Unfortunately, I tried to make a DIY to do this because there is none online. However, my SD card kept failing on this, so I couldn't do anything for you. But I will do the after right now so you guys can at least hear it. It is a pretty expensive exhaust, so I'm sure some of you guys definitely want to hear how it sounds. Here we go. Absolutely unreal. The bike has been warmed up a little bit before, so to all the guys, don't rev a cold bike. Don't worry about it. We're all good. But yeah, it sounds fantastic, guys. I think it's absolutely worth it. I know it's quite expensive, but there's not too many options right now for these bikes, and the fit and finish is perfect. It sounds absolutely amazing. It actually hurts my ears sometimes, which I absolutely love. It's kind of good in terms of safety, just because the bike before, we couldn't even hear it when we were riding, and now it's no issue at all. I passed by my friend when he was driving, and he says it screams beside him, which is exactly what I was looking for. So if you do have any questions for me, guys, feel free to reach out. We're going to be putting a Two Brothers exhaust, it's just a slip-on, onto the 500R, the 2019. So we'll definitely get you a video of that too, if you really want. Just let me know in the comments for any of you guys that are interested. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.